There are several legends associated with Shirafuji Falls. Welcome to Japan. This is Iga City, the ninja town located in Mie Prefecture. Today, I'm introducing Shirafuji Falls, a natural waterfall situated in Iga City, Mie Prefecture. Nestled in the mountains and surrounded by nature, this serene waterfall is known for its beauty and historical significance, offering visitors a place of relaxation and rejuvenation. Shirafuji Falls has a drop of approximately 25 meters, and the sight of its clear water cascading down the rocks is truly impressive. The waterfall is surrounded by lush forests, allowing visitors to enjoy different seasonal landscapes. In spring, the fresh green foliage is beautiful, while in summer, the sound of the waterfall provides a refreshing atmosphere. In autumn, the vibrant colors of the leaves harmonize with the falls, and in winter, a stunning snowy landscape unfolds, offering different kinds of beauty throughout the year. The name Shirafuji Falls is said to have been given because the flow of the waterfall resembles white wisteria flowers hanging down. The sight of the white spray of water hitting the rocks and spreading out looks as if white wisteria flowers are in full bloom, which is why this beautiful name was chosen. Several legends surround Shirafuji Falls. One of them tells of how, long ago, villagers who lived near the falls revered it as a sacred place. The water of the falls was pure and was used as a site for prayers, seeking healing from illness and bountiful harvests. Additionally, there are old stone monuments and shrines around the falls, adding to the sense of historical depth. Here is a story for you. Long ago, in the mountains of Iga Province, now Iga City in Mie Prefecture, there lived a beautiful woman. Her name was Shirafujihime, and her beauty was renowned among the villagers. However, despite her beauty, Shirafujihime was feared by the villagers. This was because she lived near a waterfall, far from human habitation, and rarely appeared before others. Shirafujihime was believed to be the spirit of the waterfall. It was said that she lived near the falls to protect its waters and to pray for the village's prosperity and peace. One day, a long drought struck, bringing great hardship to the village. The villagers sought Shirafujihime's help, but she did not appear from the waterfall, and the villagers grew increasingly anxious. One day, a brave young man decided to seek out Shirafujihime. He went to the waterfall and pleaded with her to bring rain for the village. Moved by the sincere plea, Shirafujihime took control of the waterfall's waters and offered a prayer to the heavens. As a result, the water from the falls rose to the sky, drawing in large rain clouds, and blessed rain poured down upon the village. From this legend, Shirafuji Falls came to be known as the Falls of Blessings. The villagers began to express their gratitude to the waterfall and started holding an annual festival to honor the spirit of the falls. Additionally, the water of the falls is believed to carry the protection of Shirafujihime, making it a place where people come to pray for health and happiness. That's all for today. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I look forward to seeing you again. Goodbye.